Ladies and gentlemen, I have a surprise for you today. So this is a BMW M4. Okay, and I have a surprise to you. We'll be making some modifications to this car, and I'd like you to take a look at this. So we're changing seatbelt colors. So it's a lot of work, but we got it done. So as you can see, this customer wanted green seat belts in his car. So as I said, this is a BMW M4, and we made the modifications to put the green seat belts in this car. We're going to add some more accents, and so forth in the car with the color green. But so far, this is what we have here. Just going to push the seat forward here and let you take a look at the back seat. That's the back seat right there. Green seat belt. They look very nice in the dark as well. All right. So we're taking orders for your seat belt, any colors that you like. We could modify your car and add that color. So remove your original seat belts and change the color to red, blue, black, green, any color, pink, whatever, white, any color you desire. We could install it for you. And as you can see, here we go. There you go. That's it right here. So give us a call. Reach out to us, and on YouTube, it's at Unique Auto Sports, and this is one word: UNIQUE AUTOSPORT. One word: Unique Auto Sport. Type that into YouTube, and you'll see. I'm going to post this video there, and you'll see what we do. Okay? You have a great day, and thank you.